Hello guys, in this video I will be discussing integration by algebraic substitution. Okay, so we have actually four cases for this topic. We have actually five cases for this topic. The first case is when the integrand contains fractional powers of x. So pag sinabing fraction, 1/2, 1/2, 1/3, 1/4, 1/6, ganyan. Powers of x, only use the substitution. Z is equals to n root of x, or z raised to n is equals to x, where n is the least common denominator. Least common denominator of the fractional exponents of x. Okay, so for example, let's apply this in example number 1. Meron tayong, ang mag-focus tayo sa x, meron tayong x raised to 1/2 at saka x raised to 1/3. So, gawin daw natin in equation na substitute natin as z is equals to n over x. Z is equals to n over x. Okay. Ngayon, ang n daw is the LCD. Okay. So, 2 times 3 is equals to 6. So, magiging z is equals to 6 square root of x. Okay. Now, ang kailangan natin dito, dx, x raised to 1/2 at saka x raised to 1 over 3. Okay? So, kailangan ng dx, derive natin to magiging dz is equals to 6. Tama ba? Okay. Kunin muna natin pala yung value ng x. This is para makuha natin yung x raised natin to sa 6. So, mawawala to. Magiging z6 is equals to x. Kailangan natin ng dx. So, dx is equals to 6 z raised to 5 dz. Okay, so meron na tayong dx. Kailangan natin ng x raised to 1/2. So, para maging, dahil meron tayong x is equals to z6, kailangan natin ng x raised to 1/2. So, magiging x raised to 1/2 is equals to z cube. Kailangan natin ng 1/3. Okay. So, raise natin to ng 1/3. Magiging x 1/3 is equals to 6 times 1/3, that is z squared. So, pwede na tayong mag-substitute. Substitute natin, magiging 6 z5 dz. Okay. X raised to 1/2 is z cube. X raised to 1/3 ay z squared. Okay. So, simplify natin. Pwede itong 6 z5 dz. Common yung z squared. Okay. Magiging z plus 1 ito. Magka-cancel sila. So, ang mangyari dyan, 6 z cube ang natitira sa taas, and then z plus 1. Pwede na tayo mag-integrate. Ma'am, paano po integrate yan? If you remember the basic integration, ito ay improper fraction, so mag-divide tayo. So, z cube over, divided by z plus 1. Okay? So, z cube divided by z, that is z squared. Z squared times z, that is z cube, plus z squared. Minus natin, so mababago yung sign. This is 0, negative z squared, divided by z, that is negative z. Negative z times z, that is negative z squared, negative z. Okay, bago yung sign. So, magiging positive to. Okay, z squared, cancel. Matitira z, divided by z, that is positive 1. Z plus 1. Minus tayo, so mababago to. Okay, cancel. Negative 1 ang remainder. So, z squared minus z plus 1 minus 1 over z plus 1. Okay. Ngayon, ito na yung kapalit nito. Okay? dz, and then yung constant natin na 6. So, pwede na tayo mag-integrate. That would be equivalent to 6 z cubed over 3 minus 6 z squared over 2 plus 6 plus 6a, 6a minus 6 ln z plus 1 plus c. So, ito, hindi pa po ito yan ang final answer kasi in terms of z pa siya, kailangan natin siyang ibalik. Ang z cube natin ay equivalent sa, x raised to 1 half. Okay. X raised to 1 half over 3 minus 6 over 2. Ang z squared ay equivalent sa x raised to 1/3. Okay. Ang z ay equivalent sa, so magiging kung z6 to, kailangan natin ng z 1 over 6. So magiging, magka-cancel to, raised to 1 over 6. So plus 6 x raised to 1 over 6 minus 6 ln x raised to 1 over 6 plus 1 plus c. So, pwede pa tayong mag-simplify. 6 divided by 3, that is 2. X 1 half minus 3. X 1/3 plus 6. X 1 6 minus 6 ln x 1 6 plus 1 plus c. So, this is our final answer. Okay? So, let us proceed to the next case. Ang case 2 naman natin, if the integrand contains fractional powers of a plus bx. Okay, so hindi x, a plus bx siya. And then, raise siya sa fractional power. Ito yung gagawin natin. Okay, z is equals to nth root of a plus bx, or zn is equals to a plus bx, where n is the LCD ulit. Okay, so let's proceed. So, ang naka-raise sa fractional power is 1 plus 2x. So, magiging z is equals to square root of 1 plus 2x, okay, or z squared is equals to 1 plus 2x. Yan. Siyempre, kailangan natin kunin yung value ng x kasi may 4x tayo dito. So, z squared minus 1, okay, over 2, that is x. Derive natin, kailangan kasi natin ng dx. Magiging 1 half, okay, 1 half 2z. 2z dz, or dx is equals to z dz. Okay. So, meron na tayo niya. Meron tayong x. Okay. Pwede na tayong mag-integrate. Integrate natin. 4 times x na, ang x natin ay z squared. Z squared minus 1 over 2. Okay. Plus 3. Square root of 1, 2x is z. Dx is z dz. Okay. So, pag nag-simplify tayo, okay, ito is pag sinimplify natin, magiging 2z squared minus 2 plus 3. Ito ay z squared dz. Simplify further. This is 2z squared plus 1 z squared dz. Simplify further. That is equivalent to 2z raised to 4 plus z squared dz. Okay, so pwede na tayong mag-integrate. Integrate natin yan. That is 2z raised to 5 over 5 plus z cubed over 3 plus c. Pwede na bang final answer? Hindi pa po kasi naka-letter z pa siya. So, kunin natin yung value ng z. Ang z is 1 plus 2x. So, 2 over 5, 1 plus 2x, square root raised to 5, okay, plus 2 over 3, square root of 1 plus 2x cube plus c. So, pwede siyang sulat ng 1 plus 2x raised to 5 halves plus 2 thirds, 1 plus 2x 3 halves plus c. So, this is our final answer. Okay? So, let's proceed to the next case. Ayan. Kapag ganito naman yung integrand natin. Okay? And m plus 1 over n is equals a positive integer. So, ito yung gagawin natin. Okay? Ayan. So, let's proceed. Ayan. So, sabi niya, z is equals to a plus bx. Okay? Okay, sige. So, z is equals to, tama ba? Okay, parang ganun lang din sa kanina. 1 square root of 1 plus 4x squared. Okay, or z squared is equals to 1 plus 4x squared. Ngayon, kailangan natin ng dx at kailangan natin ng x cubed. Kunin natin yung value ng x. Z squared minus 1. Okay, z squared minus 1 over 4 is equals to x squared. Kailangan natin ng value ng x. So, that is x square root of z squared minus 1 over 4, or pwede ring x is equals to square root of z squared minus 1 divided by 2. Okay. Ang dx natin ngayon is 1 half times 1 half kasi itong constant, and then 1 half. Okay. Z squared minus 1. 1 half minus 1 is negative 1 half times 2z dz. So, ang dx natin, cancel tong 2, is equals to 1 half z dz square root of z squared minus 1. Okay, may dx na tayo, may x tayo. Okay na siguro. Pwede na tayo mag-substitute. Ito is magiging z squared minus 1 over 2 cube. Okay, meron tayong times z dito, and dx natin is z dz 2z squared minus 1. Okay. So, yan yung i-integrate natin. So, anong mangyayari dyan is ito, pag sinulat natin maayos is z squared minus 1 raised to 3 halves. Okay, over 2 times z squared dz. Okay, 2. So, over 2 din to. Taas natin tong isa, z squared minus 1 raised to negative 1 half. So, dz. Okay. So, ito pag in-evaluate natin, 3 halves minus 1 half is 1. So, may matitira dito z squared minus 1 times z squared dz over 4. Tama ba? Ay, ito pala is cube. 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8. Okay, this is 8. 8. Ito kasi naka-z squared siya. Ay, z cube pala. So, ito is magiging 16. Okay. Now, pwede nating evaluate ulit. I mean, simplify. Magiging z 4 minus z squared. Okay. 1 over 16 dz. So, pwede na tayo mag-integrate. 1 over 16 z raised to 5 over 5 minus 1 over 16 z cube over 3 plus c. Ngayon, balik natin yung z. Pag binalik natin yung value ng z, okay, 1 over 16 times 5 is equivalent sa 80. Okay. Ang z natin is 1 plus 4x squared raised to 5 minus 16 times 3 is equivalent to 48. 1 over 48. Okay. Ang z cube natin is square root pala to. Okay. Square root of 1 plus 4x squared cube plus c. So, pwede pa natin itong iayos. 1 over 80. So, 1 plus 4x squared 5 halves minus 1 over 48. 1 plus 4x squared 3 halves. Okay. Plus c. So, pwede na itong final answer. Okay. Isin lang natin. Okay. Plus c. So, this is the final answer. Yeah. Okay. Yan yung final answer. So, let's proceed to the next, case 4. Okay. Ganun din, however, pag ganito siya, dapat negative integer ang sagot. Okay. And then, ito yung gagawin nating substitution. Xn zq a plus bx. Usually, ganito ang itsura ng integrand kapag ganitong case. Okay, tandaan nyo, nasa denominator siya. So, kapag sinulat natin to magiging x negative 2, 1 plus x raised to 4 negative 3/4 dx. So, pag ipaperform natin yung m plus 1 over n plus p over q, okay, magiging negative integer. Okay. So, automatically, usually, pag ganito yung itsura, case 4 tayo. So, ang gagawin daw natin is yung substitution na xn zq a plus bx raised to n. Okay, so gawin natin. Ang n natin is yung 4. x4 z4, okay, is equals to 1 plus x raised to 4. Okay? Kunin natin yung value ng x kailangan natin at saka yung dx. So, x4 z4 minus 1, I mean minus x4 is equals to 1. Ayan. So, labas natin yung x4. That is z4 minus 1 is equals to 1. So, x4 is equals to 1 over z4 minus 1. So, x is equivalent to 1 over z4 minus 1, 1/4. Or, pwede siyang x is equals to z4 minus 1, negative 1/4. Okay? So, kailangan natin ng dx. Ang dx natin is negative 1/4. z4 minus 1, negative 1/4 minus 1 is negative 5 over 4. Okay? Times 4 z cube dc. Cancel si 4. Ang matitira dx is equals to negative z cube z4 minus 1 negative 5 over 4 dc. Okay. Pwede na ba tayong mag-substitute? So, try natin. Ang dx natin is equivalent sa negative z cube z4 minus 1 negative 5 over 4 dz. Okay. Divided by ang x squared natin ay equivalent sa ang x squared natin ay equivalent sa negative. So, pag n-x squared natin to 1/2. Okay. So, ito ay x squared is equals to 1 over z4 minus 1, 2 over 4 or 1/2 or pwedeng negative 1/2. So, ito ay z4 minus 1 raised to negative 1/2. Okay? Ang 1 plus x raised to 4 natin, okay, ay equivalent sa, ano ba yung ginamit natin substitution? Ayan. Okay. Ay equivalent sa x4 z4 3/4. Okay. x4 z4 3/4. Okay. So, ayusin pa natin. Negative z cube z4 minus 1 negative 5 over 4 dz. Okay. z4 minus 1 negative 1/2 x4. So, magiging x cube to. Okay. And then, magiging z cube din to. Okay. Ito magiging z cube. So, mayroon pa tayong x na natitira. Kailangan natin niyang i-convert into z. Negative z cube. z4 minus 1 negative 5 over 4 dz. Okay. z4 minus 1 negative 1/2 x cube natin. So, gagawin lang natin tong ang x cube. So, magiging raise natin to sa cube. Ayan o, kasi ang x natin is this one. So, magiging z4 minus 1 is negative 3/4 z cube. Okay. Ayan. Okay. So, pwede pa natin siyang simplify. Ito magka-cancel. Tama? Okay. negative 5 over 4. Pag inakyat natin to is positive, so magiging parang negative 5 over 4 plus 1 half plus 3/4. Yung powers niya. So, negative 5 over 4 plus 1 half plus 3 over 4. That is 0. Okay, so mawawala to. Okay, mawawala to. Cancel, cancel, cancel. Ang matitira is this a. Napakasimple. Diba? Negative d z. So, magiging ang sagot ay negative z plus c. At ibalik natin, ano ba ang value ng z? Ang value ng z, okay, pagkukunin natin dito, ang value ng z is z4 is equals to 1 plus x to the fourth over x to the fourth. So, magiging z is equals to 1 plus x raised to 4 over 4 ay x to the fourth 1/4, or z is equals to 1 plus x to the fourth 1/4 over x. Okay. So, eto na yung value ng z natin. Kung yan ang value ng z natin, substitute natin dito. Magiging negative 1 plus x to the fourth 1/4 over x plus c. So, this is the final answer. Okay? So, that is how you apply case 4. So, let's proceed. Meron pa tayong tinatawag na case 5. Some integrals with irrational integrand may be evaluated by letting x is equals to 1 over z. So, usually, etong ganitong klase, irrational integrand, ayan, pwedeng gawin nating x equals to 1 over z lang. So, try natin, same example. Ayan, same example. Ang gamitin natin is x is equals to 1 over z. Okay? So dx is equals to negative 1 over z squared. Tama? So, substitute natin. Dx is negative 1 over z squared. dz, sorry. dz. Okay, x squared. So, 1 over z squared. 1 plus 1 over z raised to 4 raised to 3/4. Okay, if simplify natin. Negative 1 over z squared. 1 over z squared. Okay. 1 plus 1 over z raised to 4 o 3/4. Okay. So, ito, pwedeng mag-cancel, diba? Okay. So, ang matitira dito is actually 1 plus 1 over z4 raised to 3/4. Negative 3/4 dz. Okay. Now, pwede tayong mag-integrate. Pwede na tayong mag-integrate. Actually, pwede na. Yeah, pwede na. Ayan. So, ito pwede na nating integrate. Pero kailangan muna natin siyang i-simplify. Okay, simplify muna natin. 1 plus z4, pwede siyang maging, 'di ba? Yung ganito, 1 plus z, 1 plus 1 over z4, pwede nating gawin proper fraction, z4. z4 divided by 1 is z4 plus 1, okay? So, pwedeng maging ganito, negative 3/4 dz. Diba? Okay. Now, pwede nating ilabas. Yan. Ito, pwedeng maging isimplify natin. Z4 plus 1 raised to negative 3/4. Okay. Yung nasa baba is 4 times negative 3 over 4 is equals to negative 3. Ito ay magiging z raised to negative 3 dz. Okay. So, pwede pa natin siyang iakyat. Iakyat natin yung negative 3. So, magiging z cube, z4 plus 1, negative 3/4 over dz. Ayan. Okay. So, pag tinignan natin to, parang pwede siya dun sa u, z4 plus 1. Substitution din siya, di ba? Kasi ang du nito is 4z cube dz. Okay? So, meron tayong z cube dz. So, du over 4 is equals to z cube dz. Tama? So, ito pwede natin gawing u negative 3 over 4 du over 4. Okay? So, pag in-integrate natin to, negative 3 over 4 plus 1. Okay, 1/4. U raised to 1 over 4. Okay. U is raised to 1 over 4 over 1 over 4. Okay. Plus C. Or, pag pinalitan natin, that is, ito is makakancel, magiging U. Ang U natin is Z4 plus 1. Z4 plus 1, 1/4 plus C. Okay? Ngayon, ano ba yung value ng Z natin? Kailangan nating ibalik. 1 over X. Kasi X is equals to 1 over Z, so Z is equals to 1 over X. So, magiging 1 over X raised to 4 plus 1 raised to 1/4 plus C, yung sagot. Or pwede pa nating i-simplify, magiging 1x raised to 4 plus 1, 1 over 4 plus C. Tama ba? Okay? Or, pwede pa natin siyang gawin ganito, x raised to 4, 1 plus x to the 4th, 1/4 plus C. Okay? Ayan. Or, pwede pa natin siyang okay, parang kulang ata tayo ng negative. Bakit tayo nagkulang ng negative? Yeah, negative kasi to. Negative 3/4. Tama ba? C cube. Saan ba tayo nagkulang ng negative? Ayun, may negative pala dito. Okay, so kulang to ng negative. Okay. So, dapat ito ay negative. Negative. Ayan. Okay. So, pwede pa natin itong i-simplify. Actually, this is negative 1 plus x to the 4th raised to 1/4. X raised to 4 times 1 raised to 1 over 4 is magiging x plus c. So, this is the same answer with the previous one. Ayan. Okay. So, ito is negative din. Bakit nawala? Ayan. Negative din to, guys. Sorry. Ayan. Ay, sorry. Z pala yan. Ang final answer pala natin is nandito. Ayun. Okay. Negative. Ay. Ayan. Okay. So, negative. Ito yung final answer ng number 3, ay number 4, and then sa number 5 is parehas lang. Okay. So, that ends our lecture for today. Thank you very much for watching.